Hey, everybody out there, Coach Dan Long with Get Lean in 12, and we are live. I'm coming to you today as your fitness expert, wanting to bring you some movements that are specifically designed for anyone like myself that's 44 years old, anyone who's over the age of 40. So if that is you, if you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, or even above, this is for you. So I want to thank you for joining today. I have 3 exercises that are movements that are specifically designed not only for your age, but for the hormonal condition for the people like myself and my wife that's over 40, that has 3 children, that wants to fight the stomach fat and the lower belly fat, and that's what these movements are all about. Remember, if you're over the age of 40, you should be moving differently, okay? If you're not moving differently, then it's probably the reason why you're stuck at a dead end or a plateau and you can't bust through. Well, today I want to say to you, you should be performing specific type of movements to get the body that you desire. That's why I'm taking this time today to specifically show you 3 exercises that I have that we're going to perform right here and right now. Now, before that, I have a link up here, okay? You're gonna see a blue link. Don't click it just yet, okay? At the end of this video, I'm gonna have something special for you that has these specific movements and more protocols like I'm gonna show you with these 3 exercises right now. Now, I have 2 dumbbells that are 8 pounds, okay? Now, for beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can choose whatever size dumbbells you want. Again, these are 8 pounds, so that's what I choose today. But again, you can challenge yourself whatever size dumbbells that you want, okay? It's all you need is some dumbbells. Now, you can also do this with body weight if you don't have the dumbbells. First exercise, are you ready? Here we go. First exercise is actually something that a lot of people call an ice skater, or I like to call it a reverse side lunge. So let me back up here so you can see. When you're gonna do, you're gonna bring down your dumbbells just like this, but we're gonna add some movements here because I wanna do a compound movement. So I'm gonna turn sideways a little bit. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come to the side, bring it down, see my knee almost touching the ground, dumbbells down by the side, hammer curl, and then bring it back up. Now we're gonna go opposite side. To the left, bring it down, knee almost to the ground, but not all the way, and then hammer curl, okay? Again, this is called a reverse lunge, I like to call it, or an ice skater. So I'm gonna do it front ways this time, okay? Simple, down by the side, to the right, down, just like a curtsy, right? And then left, down, and then hammer curl. Now, this is a compound movement. We're moving here. Not only are we working quads, we're working glutes, we're working hip flexors. For everyone out there, okay, that wants to get that nice hip flexor, little curvature right here, and a nice tush that's gonna be nice and tight, and then also work your quadriceps to get that nice teardrop, that's an amazing exercise and specifically designed if you're over 40. Second exercise, bring your dumbbells up by your shoulders, just like so. You're gonna come down into a squat with your elbows all the way to your knees, okay? Just like that, come up and then shoulder press. Now, compound movement, one more time. Here we go. Down, all the way down, elbows to the knees, back up, and then shoulder press. Now, if you want to make it a little harder, so let's say this is beginner, this is intermediate, drop them down, bicep curl, that is advanced. As simple as that, you can make one exercise in the compound movements using multiple muscle groups to shed more belly fat, okay? That's exercise number 2. Now, exercise number 3, I'm gonna turn to the side here a little bit. Now, dumbbells down by your side. You're gonna, instead of doing a front lunge, right, which most people are used to doing, front lunges, we're gonna do a reverse lunge, and I'm gonna tell you why. When you reverse lunge like this, now remember, very important to keep 90 degrees. Watch this, okay? Your knee does not need to be past your toe. Your knee doesn't want to be behind the heel. You want it to be 90 degrees. So, when you reverse lunge, it's just like so. Keep it at 90 degrees, just like that, and then back up. Now, you see I have dumbbells. These 8-pound dumbbells are weighing me down, okay? These are weighing me down. You see this? They're weighing me down. It's making the exercise actually harder. That's a good thing because you're gonna burn more calories. But let's add a little oomph to make it intermediate, and then let's add a little more to make it into an advanced exercise. Now, it's as simple as this. Now, by the way, when you do the reverse lunges, what this does is right below the glute, okay, your hamstring connects right into your glute muscle. When you do a reverse lunge, it hits directly under the glute muscle and the hamstring direct. It hits a direct movement right there to actually tighten up the glutes. That is amazing, especially for you ladies out there that want to have a little raise. That is awesome when you do a reverse lunge. So, again, you're going to come back into a reverse lunge. Right now, let's add a kick. Now, when you add that kick, it's more intensity. It's more energy. You're exerting more, which burns more calories. That's what it's all about. Now, when you kick, I want you to try to get that foot above the eyes. Okay? So again, let's do on the right side this time. So dumbbells down by the side, back, and then a kick. Now, try to get that foot up above the eyes. One more time. Back. See this? 90 degrees. And then a kick. One more time, opposite side, back, and then a kick. So, proper form is important. And remember, these are all designed for people over the age of 40. There are specific movements that will engage the hormones, and the protocol that is exactly, I'm going to show you at the end of this video, is what's also going to help you get the body that you desire. Now, that was 2 movements, compound movements. So that was going in reverse, lunge, then a kick, and then how about a punch? So we can do it on the same side. Let's do it this side. So again, down, kick, punch. That's as simple and that's as easy as it takes. Just one movement into the second movement, into the third movement, and get you engaged to lose more stubborn belly fat. Now, these exercises are made specifically to burn more belly fat for people over the age of 40, like I'm 44, over the age of 40, and my wife that's over 40, that we have, it's one of those continuous battles, especially because of the hormonal condition with my wife being a female. It is constantly a battle having 3 children, trying to constantly look a lot younger, feel younger, and be the best that she can be. And that's why we have something that is absolutely amazing. But before I go there, let's review these one more time, okay? Now, don't forget those exercises that I showed you, because I showed you a couple here. Remember those exercises? You want to go through them one more time? Okay, check it out. This was simple. Bring up your dumbbells just like this, elbows down to the knees, all the way back up, and raise. And if you want to add in the bicep curl, it's as simple as that. Now, the first exercise I showed you, which was the reverse side lunge, hammer curl. Reverse side lunge, hammer curl. That was your first one. Your second one was down to the knees and then up. Okay? Third one, reverse lunge. Remember, this is going to be killer for right underneath the glutes. When you go forward, yes, it activates the glute, but it does not activate the hamstring under the glute to tighten it up like it does when you do a reverse. So, again, reverse, kick, punch. That went from beginner to intermediate to advanced in just that fast. Now, because you're here with me today, I have specifically something that is designed, like I told you, that I would have for you at the end of this video to be able to help you. That only takes, do you have 12 minutes a day? Everyone has 12 minutes a day. Only 12 minutes a day. Now, that could be for 3 days a week, and if you want to get advanced and look advanced, you can take this as far as 5 days a week, take 2 days off, and still get the body that you desire. But the only way that's going to happen is you need the exact protocols, like I'm showing you here, plus all the more that we have inside this program called the Over 40 Abs Solution. This program specifically made with movements, and a ton more movements than what I just showed you, with a protocol that will help you beginner, intermediate, or advanced, to get the body that you desire. Now, you need a program that's specifically designed, and that's why we have this program today for you. It's called the Over 40 Abs Solution. Up here at this link, you're gonna see a blue link that you're gonna click when we're done here. Don't do it just yet. Click this blue link that's up above, okay? You click that link, it's gonna take you to an Over 40 Abs Solution, and you can get started right away with specific movements that are geared for people in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. Do me a favor, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share. If you like what you saw here today, make some comments down below. Do me a favor and say hi. I love to meet everyone from around the world. I would love to meet some of you in person someday, so please stay tuned to our channel because we're going to be doing some exciting things here at Get Lean in 12. So, everyone around the world, don't forget the blue link up above. Go ahead and click that. You can click it right now. All right, it'll take you where you need to be. And I want to thank everyone from around the world for joining in on today's video. And I look forward to seeing you once again. Remember, keep going strong.